Namaste, Khushru Bhatia. Today's topic is disability and impairment. Difference between the impairment, handicap, and disability. Disability is a complex, dynamic, multidimensional, and contested. It is the umbrella term for impairment, activity limitation, and participant restriction, referring to the negative aspect of the interaction between the individual and that individual contextual factor. Disability. The World Health Organization draw on threefold distancing between impairment, disability, and handicap. Impairment is any loss of abnormality of psychological, physiological, or anatomical structure of the function. Disability is any restriction of leg, any resulting from an impairment of ability to perform an activity in the manner or within the range considered normal for a human being, or handicap is a disadvantage for given individual resulting from impairment or disability which preventing the fulfillment of role that is considered normal depending on age, sex, and social and culture factor for the individuals. WHO reaffirmed the classification in 1980 and 2001 issued the International Classification of Functioning Disability and Health. In ICF, distinguishes between body function and psychophysiological or psychological, example vision, and body structure, anatomical parts, example the eye and related structure development. Since our individual functioning and disability occur in a context, the ICF also include also environmental factors. As the according to the Person with Disability Act, means blindness, low vision, leprosy, good hearing impairment, locomotor disability, mental retardation, and mental illness. Thank you.